condolence or condolences. Actually, it's correct. Both of those words are correct. Condolence is singular and condolences is plural. So if you are just pertaining to one person, so you're gonna say condolence. But if you are pertaining to the family, you will say condolences to the family. Now I'm going to teach you more words that you will use, not just use condolence or condolences. Come on, join me and welcome to my YouTube channel. There is no particular reason why I am doing this lesson today. It is just I want to teach you more sentences that you can use. Okay, instead of saying condolence or condolences, you can use the word sorry for your loss. I will give you 5 sentences actually. Second one, you can say, I hope you feel surrounded by much love. Third one, you can say, sharing in your sadness as you remember, example, mother, father, your friend, or also you can use name like as you remember Pedro, something like that. The fourth one that you can use is sharing prayers to your family. And the last one is my deepest sympathy. Those are the 5 sentences that you can use rather than using condolence or condolences all the time. But you know what? You can also use the word appreciation. Especially if you knew or admired the loved one who has transitioned. Be sure to let your recipient know. So, I'm going to give you another 5 sentences that you can use, especially if you know the loved one. These are the 5 sentences I commonly used. First one is, what an amazing person and what a remarkable life. Second one is, what a good and generous man or woman, up to you, your father was or your mother was. The third one is celebrating the life of a good person and mourning their passing with you. The fourth one is your maybe brother, sister, friend, or anything was a wonderful person, and I feel privileged to have known her, him. And the last one is he or she, you can use now, blessed so many people with her faith or his faith and kindness. Now I chose 5 vocabularies that you just not use in a sudden word. Okay? I want you to use it in a different sentences, in a different context of sentences. You want to learn that? Here we go. The first one I chose is sympathy. Sympathy means feeling pity or sorrow for someone else's misfortune. I will give you a sentence. I had a great sympathy for the hurricane victims. Second word is appreciation. Appreciation means a full understanding of a situation. The best example for that is she began to clap in appreciation of his performance. Another word is transitioned. Transitioned is the past tense and also the past participle of the word transition. The meaning of that is change from one position to another. Example of sentence: the transition from home to college life is often difficult for young people. The fourth vocabulary is remarkable. Remarkable means worthy of attention. And this is the one that I've been thinking of giving you is the painting by Picasso is remarkable because it's really, really remarkable. And the last word is privilege. It means a special right, advantage, or immunity granted. My example for that is I had the privilege of meeting the President of the Philippines. Now let's repeat the 5 new vocabularies that we've learned today. The first one is sympathy. Sympathy. Second one is appreciation. Appreciation. Third one is transition. Transition. The fourth one is remarkable. Remarkable. And the last one is privilege. Privilege. Do you remember the meaning of that? Now let's have a short quiz. What is this word? A special right, advantage, or immunity granted? It's privilege. How about this? Feeling pity or sorrow for someone else's misfortune. That word is sympathy. How about this? Change from one position to another. Well done. Transition. Okay, and how about this one? Worthy of attention. Very good. It's remarkable. And the last one is a full understanding of a situation. What is that? Very good. Appreciation. Once again, a special thanks to Let's Start Language Center and Let's Talk Coffee English. That's the end of our lesson today. I hope you've learned a lot from me again. Learn with Marie. And don't forget, you are all amazing.